Hey YouTube, what you're seeing here today is a pre-restoration video of my Casablanca Cathay ceiling fan. Story behind this is I got it from Brandon C. Johnson back in July. Came with no control, so I had to get a W32 from a trade with Kaysen for his Sienna, or for my Sienna, which was awesome. But I'm facing a couple of problems that I'm going to show you shortly. First off is the fact that this doesn't work. And the reason why I say that is if I go to power, here's fan. I can't turn the fan off and I can't turn the light on. So I have to click power and stop it manually. And as you could just hear, the flywheel obviously had some wear and tear. So there's a scraping noise between the flywheel plate and the blades. And the blades are installed correctly. So, yeah. If we go to power again, and we go to light, this time I can manually change the speed. So this is speed 1. But obviously the flywheel plate has seen a lot from past years. So it's trying its best to move the fan onto restaurant low. But as you can see, I have to manually push it after like 5 seconds. Let's see if that does it any better. All right, perfect. So speed 3, does it get up to speed? Yeah, kinda. So speed 3 is really the first speed where the fan actually goes without stopping. And it's due to that flywheel plate. So there's a video. I was recommended to by another collector. Gonna go watch it. Gonna put some new washers to space out the space between the light and the fan. And hopefully that'll do it. The other problem I have is I don't know if the I know this is a W33 fan, so I don't know if the W32 wall control or the board inside the fan is causing the errors as to why it's malfunctioning. Thankfully, if you turn the light on it, and this has to be the first thing you do with this fan, if you turn the light on, you can actually turn off the fan, but still, it should not be acting like that. So maybe it's my fault on that, but still, yeah. Hopefully I can get this fan fixed up before I leave for college. I really hope I can. And yeah.